Hello, it is Filippo. Let's start checking together how to unbox and connect the AoralScan. Opening the box, we can see the device, the calibration tool, the dongle, and the two scanner tips. First of all, connect the dongle to your computer or to your laptop. Moving the first protection, in the second level of the box we can find the power adapter, two different USB cord, and the scanner base. You can remove the protection of the scanner head and insert the tip in the right way. Take care of the correct insertion direction. Okay, now we can connect the cord of the device to the scanner base. We can proceed connecting the base to our computer. I remember that it is mandatory to connect directly the USB that comes from the base to our computer with a direct connection. So please don't use any hub or multiple USB port. Proceeding with the installation, here you are the power adapter. Rotating the upper part of the adapter, you can choose the socket that you need. Of course, it's necessary to connect the power supply cord also to the base. In case it's your first time that you're unpacking and installing the scanner, it's necessary to perform the calibration. In order to perform the calibration, it's necessary to connect the USB cord to the calibration tool and the other side of the cord directly to your computer. Proceeding with the calibration process, it's necessary to remove the protection cap, then remove the scanner tip and connect the scanner directly into the calibration tool. Once completed the calibration process that you can run from your computer, we can reconnect the scanner tip. I suggest to store the calibration tool in the scanner box. That's it. Thank you for your time and thank you for your attention.